Today we're going to work on interpreting graphs of quadratic relations, and we're going to use what we know to solve some real-life problems as well. But to start off, we'll do some warm-up by determining first the values of AHK from the parabola that's given, and then we're going to figure out the equation. So, first off, in order to figure out the AHK values, we need to first off identify what the vertex is. And so in this case, we find the vertex right here. The vertex coordinates are at 1, 4. Okay, so if 1, 4 is the coordinates of the vertex, again, because we can use vertex form, the vertex is the same as the HK values. So the HK values here are positive 1 and positive 4. Next thing that we can do, we can try and figure out, well, just how far over are things. So we can use our step pattern to figure out the A, or we can use the math piece. So we know for a fact that there is one piece right here. Okay, that there is one intersection at 0, positive 1. That happens to be the y-intercept. So the y-intercept happens at 0, 1. So that's our xy coordinate. So now we're trying to figure out our a value. What we do know about the a value is that it's going to be a negative number. So knowing that the equation of all parabolas in vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, we can substitute in the values that we already have. So we know that we've got a y value of 1. We don't know our a value. That's what we're trying to figure out. We know that we've got an x value of 0. Our h value is actually positive 1 squared, and our k value is plus 4. So we're going to simplify stuff that are in the brackets just to begin. So 0 minus positive 1 is negative 1 squared plus 4. So 1 is equal to a times negative 1 squared. Negative 1 squared is 1. Okay, and so now what I need to do is I need to get the a value all by itself. So I'm going to need to isolate a by using kind of reverse Bedmas. So we've got addition on the right-hand side that we need to remove. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to actually subtract 4 from both sides. So I'm going to do minus 4, minus 4. Oh dear. Okay, and so what we're going to end up with here is negative 3. So 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And there we've got a. Okay, so 1a is still a, so a is actually negative 3. And that means that our equation for this particular parabola is going to be y is equal to negative 3 times x minus 1 squared plus 4. So there's our equation for this particular parabola. Okay,